Well, today I was supposed to be at New York. Yes, I was supposed to be here. This marvelous ride called 5 Boro New York. Yes, it's incredible. It's a ride that it's happening over 40 years. Yes, and there is 40 miles, 5 boroughs, 1 day, and zero cars. It's marvelous. You go all over New York and everything's closed for you, for the bicycles. And it's 32,000 bicycles. Isn't that great? Isn't that marvelous? Let me tell you about this marvelous ride. It's 40 miles, 5 boroughs. That means that you go to the 5 boroughs in New York. You start at Manhattan, go all the way up, cross Central Park, then go to Bronx, come back, go to Queens, go down to Brooklyn, cross to Staten Island, and get the ferry back to Manhattan. Is that cool? You cross 5 bridges and no cars. Yes, no cars. I bought my Brompton especially for this event, and it was fabulous because I thought I wouldn't make it to the end. It was 40 miles, my first 40 miles with the folding bike. Then I got the ferry back to Manhattan and ride all the way back to Queens. Yes, I could take the metro, but it was so good. Such a beautiful day. We got some rain, we got some sunshine, we got some wind, we got some cold, we got everything, but it was marvelous. I met some Brompton friends, and it's so cool. I gotta show you. Let me show you. What a marvelous ride.